name's Frankie Vargas. I've been at WireNut for about 7 months now. Been in the plumbing industry for a total of 11 years. I actually almost got out of the trades altogether. I was having a hard time finding a company that just fit the good values that I'm looking for. And WireNut was actually my last interview. We had like a 2.5, 3 hour interview. And after that, I was like, oh, that felt pretty good. Like, I would like to work for that place. This is Frankie with WireNut Home Services. Was giving you a courtesy call to let you know that we are headed your direction. I will be about 20, 25 minutes and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye. So it looks like this first customer, their neighbor recently has been having some mainline issues. So this first call is going to be us going out and like really taking a look at that main line just to check the health of it, see if there's any intrusions in there, any breaks in the line. So I'll just sit down with the customer, kind of show them what that looks like, what's going on with it, and then give them solutions on how to make sure that nothing catastrophic happens to the sewer line. But we're gonna put these booties on, and then I'll have you take me to the downstairs area, and then we'll come chit chat about what I found and what's going on. So right now what I'm doing is just kind of gearing up to do a camera inspection on this main sewer line. So this is our camera, so you can get a good clear picture of everything going on. So he's got a little bit of grime at the bottom of the pipe, this kind of sludge stuff. Something I'll chit chat with him is that Bio 1 drain cleaning. Basically it's an enzyme-based drain cleaner that'll help clean out that sludge. We didn't see any deformities, any low points in the pipe, no areas of concern that were showing that the pipe was having any integrity issues. This is one of those sewer lines. Normally you see something on all of them, but this guy's pretty lucky, so. It all looks very good. No deformities, no intrusions, no cracks, no breaks. So you guys are in a pretty good bill of health as far as the infrastructure to your sewer line. You do have a little bit of a film, like a grime, of gunk grime, kind of building up at the bottom. We have a cleaner. It's called Bio 1. It's an enzyme-based chemical-free cleaner that we could put in your drains once a month. It'll help break up that grime and flush it out when you guys use water. They'll last you a good long time, and I got some on the truck, so I'll be able to give that to you. Yeah. Yep. She's having some sort of a drain issue. It just says possibly clogged overflow. Kind of call her, let her know how far we are. This is Frankie with WireNut Home Services. I just wanted to give you a call, let you know that we're going to be headed your direction. We'll be there in about 25 minutes.
Okay, thanks very much. See you then.
Yep, thank you.
And I needed to take a bath in this shower. And I was in the closet checking something out. Right there was damp.
Okay.
And I thought, it's got to be coming from in there. So
okay.
That's my issue.
Okay, so this is gonna be a fun one. What I'll do is try to see if we could like pinpoint the leak. What I'm kind of worried about is that it could be coming from upstairs, maybe traveling down a wall or traveling down a pipe. That tub shoe here is not set perfectly in this pan, so it's kind of off kiltered. So you're gonna have a pretty decent sized gap on this backside here. The drain itself, okay. It's draining good. But yeah, I think there's just an issue with these pipes behind that wall. Yeah. Well, let's see if we can get this figured out for you. So I'm grabbing a drop cloth that we could put underneath where we're gonna cut our hole in the wall. A little drywall saw to cut the hole, and then the inspection camera. So at first we could put a smaller hole, and I can kind of see if I can find it with just this. If not, we'll make it bigger. So that's telling me that there's water leaking. That looks like it's the actual bottom of the tub. So we're gonna be quoting out tub waste and overflow. We are gonna have to open up some more of this hole. But you can see the remnants of the water down here on that joint. What's probably gonna have to happen is we're probably gonna have to open this up enough for somebody to fit into it. So then that way they can work from both sides and get in there. So this project's gonna be a little bit more time consuming. It doesn't help, but when they built these places, they left so much trash. So there's actually a bunch of water bottles, wood and nails in there. And now we're gonna just go build the estimate to do that scope of work and then see how quickly we can get it done. So yeah, we could do Tuesday the 3rd. 8 to 10 is when he'll get here. That he'll be here for about probably like 3.5, 4 hours. I like to do a thing, it's called give a pickle. It's basically a good deed. Do you have anything in the house you need moved? Anything you need help with?
This one You have to find just,
The right spot.
yes.
Yeah, so what's going on with that is inside here, there's a cartridge.
Oh.
And every now and again, those cartridges need to be replaced.
Oh, okay.
I'll put an estimate in your file for you.
Okay.
That's what's causing that.
Okay.
Any trash you need me to take out or anything?
No.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, you have a good day. The customer had a waste and overflow that just wasn't seated properly, so it's been pouring tons of water underneath the house there. We opened up the wall, found the leak, and quoted her out what it would take to replace it. We're gonna have one of the guys come out. It'll take them a little bit longer, just because of the access point. And because of all that water damage, I recommended an Executive Pro Dry. What they do is kind of come and just assess to see if she needs any cleaning done or any drying out. They'll get that done before our repair is all the way finished up. So then that way it's nice and dry down there and she doesn't have to worry about mold or any growth at all. This is Frankie at WireNut. We appreciate you guys following around today. Have a good day.